In just a couple of words, Surah Al-Mujadalah, this is ayahs number 9 and number 10. Allah basically just comprehensively summarized one of the most important aspects of our lives. Sometimes difficult conversations have to be had. Sometimes you have to talk about people that are causing harm. You have to. But we have guidelines for not to cross that line. And we also have guidelines for if we realize we're on the wrong side of this. And if you're the one being talked about, then Allah says, لَيْسَ بِضَارِّهِمْ شَيْئًا إِلَّا بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ. In the 10th ayah, I didn't even talk about that. He's not going to be able to harm you at all. Don't worry about if they're talking about you. وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Believers should place their complete trust in Allah. That's it. Let it go. Let Allah take a hold of that. The words can only go so far. And even if they cause you harm, that's a harm that nobody could have avoided except by Allah's permission. So again, I keep taking you back to Surah Yusuf for a reason, because Najwa is there. They schemed against Yusuf. Allah said here, they're not going to be able to harm the believers in any way. But they harmed Yusuf. They put him in a well. He ended up as a slave. But in the long run, they couldn't do to him what Allah didn't plan. إِلَّا بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ. So it may be that their words have an effect. It may be that it causes some harm. But that may also be a part of a larger scheme from Allah, a larger plan from Allah. No credit of which goes to them, but it might be that Allah has something in store for you that's even greater. That adversity might come your way because of the talking of others. It might happen, but there's a greater plan in place. So may Allah Azza wa Jal make us